Decision intelligence is a practical discipline that models how and why decisions are made within an organisation, and also who the decision actors are. Ultimately, we're seeking to improve the decision outcome by using a combination of data, knowledge, analytics and artificial intelligence, and ultimately resulting in improving the business outcome. Decision intelligence is becoming more of a hot topic today. I would say primarily because of data growth. We are dealing with close to 30% compound growth year on year in terms of data. If we think about the types of data we're dealing with, more unstructured documents, the quality of the data is typically quite poor, and that data has quite high criticality in terms of our decision-making processes within our daily lives. So we need processes, we need tools that allow us to understand and analyse that data, and improve our decision making in order, again, to improve our outcomes. We can see this in market trends. If you look at the Gartner Data and Analytics Summit recently, very much a hot topic in the data community at the moment. We're seeing that about 33% of organisations at the moment have deployed decision intelligence. So still a long way to go, I think, in terms of our maturity in terms of decision intelligence. And I think there's great opportunities for those seeking to improve their decision making using decision intelligence platforms. There are many components that make up a decision intelligence platform. You always have to start on the left hand side with the data. So there'll be multiple sources of data. That may be internal client data, it may be third party data, it may be structured or unstructured. So you need a robust data integration layer that allows you to process and model and standardise and clean the data when it comes into the platform. You then need to standardise that data and ultimately bring that into a graph. Another powerful tool as part of the integration layer is entity resolution. So we see that as a very strong data integration component. It allows us to link data sets from multiple data sources and link them to the same real world entity, the same individual. And again, that's very powerful for building graphs. The graph database itself is obviously clearly important. We need to be able to analyse the connections, discover hidden connections, discover insights within the graph. And the key feature in order to inform and improve the decision making is graph visualization. So we need tools like Linkurious that can allow our users to make informed decisions about the data, that can alert them to risks or interesting events within their decision intelligence platform, and ultimately augment and even in some cases automate their decision making process through an easy to use, intuitive interface. In terms of powerful use cases for decision intelligence, there's many, and they cross all domains, really. This is the curious thing about decision intelligence. It's not specific to fraud and financial crime, it's not specific to insurance. There are use cases that sit almost within every domain, wherever there's a decision to be made within an organisation, and that involves contextualised data, involves graph-like data, where we're analysing the connections between individuals and other entities. There's a graph use case, there's a decision intelligence use case associated with that. If we think about that in real life terms, that could be in fraud and financial crime, it could be transaction monitoring. Do I approve this transaction, or is it likely to be a fraudulent transaction? It could also be in customer onboarding. Does this customer pose a risk? Are they who they say they are? Will we approve the onboarding of this customer? It could be in an insurance claim. Is this a fraudulent insurance claim? These decisions are critical decisions within an organisation, and you need the technologies and the tools in order to provide the data, the analytics, the insight to the users to augment and improve their decision making.